Today we're setting our sights on the all-too-tempting world of fast food. Yes, we're revealing the top 5 reasons to reconsider that next drive-through dash. So why should we skip the burger and fries? Let's break it down. Reason number 1. Calories. Fast food is notoriously high in calories. Think about it. A greasy burger, crispy fries, a creamy milkshake, they all sound delicious, right? But here's the catch. These tasty treats are packed, and I mean packed, with calories. We're talking numbers well into the thousands, and that's just for one meal. A single fast food feast can sometimes contain more than your entire day's worth of recommended intake. This colossal caloric content can lead to weight gain and associated health issues. Next up, nutrition, or the lack thereof. We all understand the importance of a balanced diet, right? But here's the catch with fast food. It's like a mirage in a desert, promising to satiate your hunger, but leaving you nutritionally parched. Fast food often lacks essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber. This means despite consuming a lot of calories, you're not really feeding your body what it needs. So, you might be filling your stomach, but you're shortchanging your health. Thirdly, let's talk fats and sugars. Fast food is notorious for its high levels of unhealthy fats and sugars. Deep-fried delights might taste great, but they're packed with trans fats. And don't forget about those sugary sodas. They're bursting with added sugars. Both of these elements are harmful to our bodies. Consistent intake can lead to an increased risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic conditions. Fast food is loaded with trans fats and added sugars. These contribute to heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic conditions. Did you know fast food can be addictive? That's right. It's not just about convenience or taste. Fast food is designed to hit all your brain's pleasure points with an irresistible mix of fat, sugar, and salt. It's like a symphony of satisfaction that leaves you craving for more. This not only encourages overeating but also makes it hard to break the cycle. The combination of fats, sugar, and salt can make it hard to stop eating, leading to a cycle of unhealthy eating habits. Lastly, think about the planet. When you're biting into that juicy burger, it's easy to forget about the wider implications. But the fast food industry has a hefty environmental footprint. From the deforestation required for livestock grazing, to the greenhouse gases emitted during food production and transportation. Then there's the issue of waste. A mountain of packaging quickly adds up, contributing to our global waste problem. So remember, every fast food meal has a cost, and not just to your waistline. The fast food industry significantly contributes to environmental issues like deforestation and pollution. So there you have it. 5 compelling reasons to cut down on fast food. From high calories, poor nutrition, and unhealthy fats to addictive properties and environmental impact. Your body and the planet will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you next time.